This paper clapper takes less than 2 minutes to make. You need a rectangular sheet of paper 20 centimeters long, 7 centimeters wide. Fold the sheet along the midline and then open it up. Then fold all the 4 corners one by one to the middle line. Once again, fold these corners to the middle line. They will make skewed creases, and this would look like a two-way pointer. Now fold the model in half and then in a quarter. You can see this is the mountain fold. Now this mountain fold should be on the top. Fold it like 2 long ears and make a little dent. Now hold and just press and release, and you will hear the clapper. It's like a rabbit's long ears. You can even make one ear flap